My video is about removing an online scam related to the website Itergoty.xyz. Itergoty.xyz is a dangerous website. It attacks Google Chrome and it affects other browsers. Basically, it tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. The pop-up uses the logo of well-known security applications, even though it may then redirect you to some other dangerous sites that promote a totally different application. So be very careful, don't tolerate it, and don't install whatever the pop-up suggests. You need to leave this page immediately. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then start researching the system with its help in order to detect and remove other threats. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.